Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have a Moress haul to share with all of you. Moress very kindly sent me a few pieces from their Mystic Forest collection for me to review and share with all of you. And so this is how the box arrived. It's a beautiful cardboard box. It says Moress on the front, and when you open it up, it says Moress charms here, and then there's all their handles and their website, and then there's this package in here. It's wrapped in tissue paper and tied with ribbon, and it's very nicely done. So let's go ahead and open this up. I do have some charms from Moress, and I have some of their open bangles, which I absolutely love, those bangles and charms. And so I'm very excited to see what they sent me. I did go on their website to look at this collection, and it is absolutely beautiful. So let me open this up. And here is the little pouch with the charms on there. It is like a velvety pouch. It says Moress here. And then inside are these baggies with the charms. Ooh, there's glass charms. And so, okay, let me show them to you one by one. This first bead is called the Forest Fox bead, and she is just so cute. On her head, you can see this purple stone. This is an amethyst gemstone, and you can see that it is faceted. Her eyes have the oxidation on them, so it gives her face definition. And she is in that pose like she's jumping, and then her body is curving while she's jumping, and that gives it that place where your bracelet or your bangle would go in. It's not a completely closed off bead, as you can see. On her back, you have these, I want to say flowers maybe. There's, I think, 3 big, medium, and small. And then look at her tail. It's really bushy, and there's a lot of detail. It looks like, you know, they have tried to put that hair-like detail on her tail. It's really nice. And I see, I think, yeah, if you look at that, you can see right there, you can see the hallmarks. And then it does look like that this bead is threaded. I see the threads inside. So this is the Forest Fox. I really, really like it, and I love the addition of the gemstone onto it. This next one is the Fairy Frost Flower bead, and again you see the addition of a gemstone. This one is pink, and this is a rhodolite, and again it is faceted. It makes up the middle of the flower. I love the flower. It has these 6 petals, and then it's on a branch which is curving and making the place for your bangle or your bracelet. And then there's 2 tiny little buds on the branch itself. You can see the hallmarks right there. You have the Moress symbol and the 925, and then the branch itself has so much detail on it. You can see that. So yeah, this one is a small one, but it is so beautiful. So yeah, look at the size comparison between the two. So you can see that the Fairy Frost flower is smaller than the Forest Fox bead, but they're both so beautiful. This next one is the Moonlit Mushroom bead, and this one is actually a spacer or a stopper because let me show you. This does have the silicone lining inside, so I really like that. And there you can see the hallmarks right there. And then this one is made up of a lot of mushrooms, different sizes, different textured mushrooms. And that is really cool. You can see all the tiny ones, the medium-sized ones, and then there's a few really big ones. And so this one, oh, that's a mushroom too. This is really cool. I really like this. And I love that it's a stopper too. So you can always use it as a bead. It doesn't have to be used as a stopper, but I really like this one to use as a stopper too at the edge of a design. I think it will be really nice. And this last one is called the Moon Shadow Lily Bead. And again, this one is a stopper. You see the silicone lining inside. And this one is very pretty too. You have these two lilies, a bigger one and a smaller one. So textured, so detailed. I really like that. And then here are the leaves right next to it. And there's the back. You can see the hallmarks on this one. And yeah, it's really pretty. Again, a delicate bead, but it's really beautiful. Again, a beautiful one to have as a stopper too. And so these are the 4 silver beads that they sent me to review from their Mystic Forest collection. They also sent me these glass beads in this. These don't have a name on them. And I think Moress, as far as I know, don't really give their glass beads names, or from what I've seen, they just call them Murano glass. And they sent me a pair of these beautiful green ones. And they have such a beautiful look to them. They have this translucent look. I see, maybe it's my eyes with the sun reflecting that's making me see shimmer, but they have a glow to them for sure. And I think this color, the green color with this collection, is just beautiful, the Mystic Forest collection. I think these are just perfect glass beads to pair with that. So there's the glass beads, and then here's the core. You can see it says Moress 925. And then the other side has the same thing. And you can see from the profile view that the color on this glass bead is at the core and the glass is clear. And so, yeah, these are the Murano glass beads that they sent me. And yeah, I'm really excited to design with all of these. So I quickly put together 2 mini designs using some of these new beads, and this first one is this one. This is one of Moress's bangles. I think this one is retired, I'm not sure, but I think this was part of their heritage collection if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, here are some of the charms that they sent me. On here I have the Moonlit Mushrooms bead, I have the Fairy Frost flower bead, and I have the Moon Shadow Lily bead on here with the Murano glass charms that they sent me. And this looks really pretty. It's a very nice design. You can obviously add more charms to it and make it bigger, but I tend to like mini designs on my bangles, and so this is just absolutely perfect. I love the contrast of the green and the pink and the rhodolite. And so this is the first one. And then the second one that I did, this is again the Moress silver twisted bangle. As I said, one of my favorite bangles, and it's very comfortable to wear, very easy to design with. And I wear this one a lot if you look through my feed. So anyways, on here in the center, I do have the Forest Fox bead, and she is just absolutely stunning. These 2 silvers here are older Moress silvers, and these are from a couple of years ago. I think the collection was called Faunas of the Fall, if I'm not mistaken. But I really do love both of these silvers a lot. And then the glass beads I have on here are from Ogre Beads, and so yeah, these are the 2 mini designs that I did with these new beads that they sent me, and I'm really looking forward to wearing these. I absolutely loved everything they sent me, so a big thank you to Moress for sending these to me, and a thank you to you guys for you know, always watching my videos. And it's because of you guys that I get these opportunities to review these beads and to share them with you, so thank you. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.